Hello, everybody. My name is Javier Gorbean, the Catamaran TRES SUENOS. We have Elise, our chef,
Hi.
and Troy. He's going to be our instructor for the EFO, which is one of our main water toys attractions. The name of the boat is Tres Sueños. Tres Sueños means three dreams, for those of you who wanted to know about the name of the boat. I'm going to start showing you the exterior of the boat. Troy's going to be showing you the e-fold and how we're going to do the lessons and everything, and then Elise will show you the interior. So let's start. Okay. Here we have our exterior table. Most of the meals are going to be done in this area, although we have one inside too, which Elise is going to show. So most of the meals, either lunch or dinners, will be done on this table. So let's go this way up to the flying bridge. Okay, for you, those of you who want to know about the boat, this is a Privilege 615, 2011. Here's our flying bridge. We have a really nice area here to chill out. This is usually the area where everybody comes when we're sailing. If you notice, we have two helm stations. The reason for that is because the boat is so wide that for docking it makes it so much easier. If you can see, we have 360 view here on this area. It's there, down there we have some of our toys. We're gonna go down there now and show you the toys. Watch your head here. Okay, come over. This is a really stable boat, really wide and stable. So when sailing, everybody's going to be really comfortable. There's not going to be a lot of movement. Here we have our paddle boards. Here are our surfboards, which is part of our toys. As I mentioned in the beginning, part of what we do is the EFO lessons and the use of electronic foil boards. Troy's going to talk to you more about that when we go to the back again. Watch your feet there. It's a beautiful day today in paradise. Watch your step there. You can point into some of our toys or foil boards. We have fishing gear. We have a nice dinghy. It's a AB 14 feet inflatable with a 70 horsepower Yamaha. So I'm going to hand the mic to Troy, so he's going to explain more in detail what's the EFO about.
How you doing, everybody? So this is our 5.0 e-foil board, 5.0, 5 foot. We have lithium-ion batteries inside, which last about an hour for an inexperienced rider and an hour for experienced riders. Sorry, about 3 hours for experienced riders. This is our hand controller right here. So this is how you're going to accelerate the board. If you pull the throttle, the board accelerates. You can see the prop down below here as you go. This is our wing right here. So as you gain speed, you eventually will get to the point where you're comfortable and you can lean back on the board a little bit, just redistribute your weight, and you will start flying about 2 to 3 feet above the surface of the water. It is an unbelievable feeling. I don't know anyone that, if anyone's done it or not, but it really is quite amazing. There's nothing else like it on the market. These lift boards are, top-notch boards. They have the best computer boards in here. They're all carbon fiber. And for our equipment while we are doing the lessons, this is my new favorite thing other than the e-foil. This is our waterproof headset. So we will have, obviously, I will have one. The person I'm instructing will have one as well. So I'll be right in their ear the entire time. Be able to tell them what they're doing wrong, what they're doing right, what they need to do next. You know, shift their weight backwards, shift their weight forwards. And we're really expecting to be able to get most of the guests trained on these boards within the first day. So that's our goal, and it appears to be a pretty achievable one. And if you guys see, we have, other than the 5.0 board, we have a 6.2 up top, and down low we have a 4.4. So the 5.0 and the 6.2 are going to be intended for beginners, but you know, if you're intermediate, advanced, you're still going to have a great time on those boards. And then the 4.4 is mainly for our advanced riders. So typically I'll use that as my little chase boat, you know, and just follow the people I'm instructing around, make sure that they're staying in enough depth and having a good time, you know. And the other two boards that we have on here do not have electric motors on them. So if you see, there was an orange board that you guys passed earlier and a green board. The green board is going to be a stand-up paddleboard with the aspect wing on it. So people who want to surf, we'll be able to take them out on that, as well as the orange board over there to paddle into waves, catch some sweet waves, and you know, be able to fly 2 feet, 3 feet above the surface of the water while surfing, which is, like I said, just unbelievable. So we're really excited to get our guests out on these boards, and they're super easy to learn how to use. You know, I was worried before I used them, that it was going to be difficult to teach people, and I got on the boards, and within 5 minutes I felt way better about it. 15 minutes and I was up and cruising around. So our age range for this, you know, anywhere from 10 years old or younger all the way up to 70-year-olds. I mean, everyone's doing it, and you know, it looks difficult, but it really isn't. So it's going to be a lot of fun for everyone on board.
So Troy is a great instructor, and we're gonna try to find the best places, you know, the more suitable places to do our lessons. So it's gonna help a lot. Gonna help us. So let's go inside. So Elise, our chef, is gonna show us the interior.
Let me pass off this mic to you.
Hi, I'm Elise. I'm the chef and first mate on Tres Suenos. I'm going to start off with showing you our beautiful, spacious salon. You can see how much room you have here. There's a big table for guests to eat inside if they wanted to. Then I'm going to walk this way. I'm going to show you another area that I love here. We have the refrigerator and freezer. These are for the guest use only. We have a little bar area here, drink cups here, and an ice machine here. So then if you come down this way, I'm going to start by showing you. It has a king-size bed. All of our rooms have king-size beds. You can see, once again, it's very spacious. We have this couch sitting here. There's lots of closet space and storage space for the guest. And then one thing I want to point out, all of our rooms have separate heads and showers. So they're completely separate, as you can see coming through here. And then when you come in this way, this is my favorite room. It's beautiful, spacious galley. We have dishwasher, freezer, huge refrigerator, and I can definitely cook up some lovely dishes in here. Come up this way. And another feature of the boat is this, the beds pull out. These come in and then they go out. So you can have them back as a seat, or you can lay and make it a day bed and watch TV or read a book or hang out. So now we're going to move over this way. And once again, this is another stateroom with a king-size bed. Cushion storage, it's the exact mirror of the other room that you had seen. But as you can see, it's another beautiful room for guests. And once again, separate head, shower, all the rooms come with that. And then when you come here, this is the real gem. This is the master suite. And as you can see, it's, once you get in here, it's absolutely breathtaking how big it is. And let me point out all the closet space, the desk that you have here, and then when you come through here, there's tons of storage. Now we can go outside, meet the rest of the crew.